Why make a bunch of cinnamon rolls when you can make one huge one?
This giant cinnamon roll is literally a foot in diameter. Everything you love about the gooey centers of regular sized cinnamon rolls is magnified in this massive one. So many rolls and layers are twisted to create pockets of absolute goo perfection in the best way. The recipe really isn't that much different from regular from scratch cinnamon rolls. Make your dough in a stand mixer, knead it until smooth and elastic. Place your ball in a very large bowl coated in cooking spray. Cover with plastic and let rise in a warm spot until doubled in size. Then punch your dough down, roll it out, spread it with a lot of softened butter, and sprinkle it with a ton of brown sugar and cinnamon. Roll that up jelly roll style like you would regular cinnamon rolls. Then curl that large roll into a spiral in a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Add some slits at the top, cover and chill overnight. The next morning, place a big bowl of very hot water in the oven with your cinnamon roll and let it rise for another hour before baking. Spread the hot giant cinnamon roll with a cream cheese glaze, and oh my word, y'all, this is the best cinnamon roll you will ever eat.